You searched how to buy shares of Xvivo Perfusion AB. Xvivo develops organ perfusion systems to improve organ preservation and is listed on CBOE EU under the ticker XVIVO.ST. And this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To proceed, you will need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker XVIVO.ST to find the listing. Make sure you select Xvivo Perfusion AB on CBOE EU to locate the correct share. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the live price chart. Check the exchange and ticker displayed to confirm this is the correct Xvivo share. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the trade is processed. For the example link and more details, check the description below.